Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your NovaBot to GMGN.AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is put this trading bot onto our extension. So go ahead and click on download for Chrome. And this is going to redirect you to the Nova extension and click on, it should say add to Chrome. I've already got it installed, so go ahead and add it to Chrome. And now once we've done that, go back to the download page. Then from here, we need to go ahead and connect our Telegram. So you need to make sure you got Telegram downloaded and installed on your PC or laptop. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Telegram, connect Telegram. All right, so Telegram desktop has just been opened and we're inside the Nova bot here, as you can see. And then it should say Meet Nova Click. And from here, go ahead and click on Launch Nova Click. And then go ahead and click on Open here. And then it should say success. You are now connected to NovaClick. From here, go ahead and click on got it. Now, once we've done that, we can go back to Telegram and configure the bot. And it should say successfully connected to NovaClick here as well. And now from here, click on the menu button here and then click on a menu again. And now we can see all the available tools inside here. Now to import your wallet, go to wallets. And then you can go ahead and import your wallet here. And you can also use features like the sniper tool. So if we go back to the menu, we can also use features like sniper tool, copy trading, copy trades, and also you can set up your own referral links as well. All right, so before doing anything else, we need to open up settings in the Telegram chat here. So click on the settings. And now we need to select NovaClick. And now we need to make sure the use panel settings is a green button, not a red. So just simply click on the use panel settings and make sure that is green, like we can see. From here, we can start using Nova on GMGN. So let's head over there. All right, so yeah, come over to your web browser and go to GMGN.AI. And now come over here to your extensions and make sure to enable your Nova panel. So I'm going to go ahead and enable it. So now it's disabled, so I want to go ahead and enable it. Now from here, just go to any asset here. So I'm just going to go into any random one called pipe. And now if your Nova panel doesn't appear, we can change that. So click on your Nova and then click on enabled Nova panel. And now, so you got your Nova panel inside of GMGN that you can start using. You got all your presets here, your buy presets, your sell presets, and also your sell percentages as well.